Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came in another video, guys. So as you see, what the market given us here in that level where we are now, what did I told you yesterday? But for the people to be in with us, by the way, you watching us now. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us every day we put in for you 2 videos, guys. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. It's very easy. It will not take you even 1 second. There is a red button down. Click at it. Next to it a bell. Turn it to all. So like that you're going to be notified every time when us we put in something new, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So as you see, guys, here what I told you yesterday, what did I told you here at that zone, here at that one, at those candles, those ones, look at them. What did I told you about them? I told you, you got a green candle like that. Is it that one here? You got next to it that red candle, that one, like that. It give you like that. Is it that one here? I told you to complete the pattern for you. It needs to come another red candle like that. And the one, it's called, there's a very well-known pattern, it's called the hangman, guys. What that red candle here, that one, indicating to us, guys. What it's indicating, guys? Is it red? Yes. But did the market close? Not yet, guys. It's still for the candle 6 hours, guys. So should you enter now? No, guys, of course not. Yes, you are in a very nice level to start the day, say, for people that don't care what the market doing. But for swing trader and positional traders, is not yet, guys. Look at it. It's need that one to come to break for us that trend line here. If it doesn't, we are not going to enter. Everything is too clear, guys. And here in my chart, what I got, guys, look with me. What I got me here in the chart. Let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. What I got here. We got that yellow level here. That yellow level here, when it's being broke, how it reacted now. It reacted like a very stronger resistance. As you see it, guys, the market every time he came to it, it couldn't even break higher than it. Every time he's showing a rejection down. Yes or no? And we got here that white one, that a very long-term trend being followed from 2014, guys. And in the top here, at the top of the channel, the lower of it is very lower, guys. So, guys, till now there is nothing clear to enter or not yet. So I think you need to wait a little bit till the week start and the weekly candle to finish. Then we're going to make a decision about that. So let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, he touched here. He came up till that level here. And I tell you me, in the last video, you can find it still here in the channel. What did I told you here at that level here where we are? I told you it might that level is going to be the one here, or it might that level is going to be the one here. So if it's being the one here, if it's being that level here, that means from here is going to go higher, guys. If it's being the one here, that means from here is going to give us 3 in the top like that. Then after that is going to drop, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. There is nothing hard, nothing complicated, guys. And should you enter? Not yet, guys. Also, we're still here in the control of the bears, guys. There is no bulls yet. There is no big whales they buying. Big whales, when it's going to break here, they are going to start buying. It's when it needs to break for us that long-term trend we've been following, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. By the way, I know you are a being subscriber with us. You smash the like button. Go ahead and do it, my friend. Helping us growing up more that channel. You done it? Please write with it a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, what did I told you yesterday? Here, and here. I told you, give you here a divergence, guys. Look at it, very clear. Yes, now here, it zoomed out a lot, but look at it. Look at that level here, and that level here down. And that level here, and that one here in the chart. The chart is showing you, it give you lower, low. Here, it give you higher, high, guys. Everything is too clear. Should you enter now, guys? No, what did I told you me? It need to be in a stronger level. Yes, you are in a very stronger level here. The price action here, where is it? Look close with me, guys. Is it that one? Can come, you do it like that, a wage. You can come, you do it like that, a triangle. It's breaking any one of them. Not yet, guys. When if it's going to break, it's going to come till here, guys. Till that zone here. Should you enter now, guys? Not yet. Only if you want to decide that another story, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the market doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, to get a very clear picture about the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general, guys. So let's go in there to see what is it in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what did I told you here? People who follow me, write it down in the comment. What did I told you there? Or smash the like button, just smash in the like button. Helping us, guys. Tell YouTube algorithm us we exist in here. Hey, YouTube us, we are here. We're a Bitcoin trading channel, guys. Smash in the like button, guys. Make it to explode today. You done it. Thank you all, guys. Thank to all those ones that supporting us in that channel, guys. What did I told you here in the 4 hours, guys? Look with me here, very clear. What did I told you here? I told you, look here and here. I told you how many times he touched in the top? 1, 2, 3, and here the 4th one. Down how many? 1, 2, and here the 3rd one. What did I told you? I told you need to make a close eye at the 5th one where it's going to be broke. If it's breaking up, you enter long. If it came down and break the 5th one, not the 4th one, you enter short, guys. Is it breaking anyone? Not yet, guys. And what else? What did I told you else? Here in the 4 hours, guys. You got here a triple bottom, guys. Yes or no? Look at it. That's the first bottom, second, and here the third. And what did I told you else? I told you got here a very stronger wage like that. Yes or no? All those things I tell it to you, guys. Did it break in any one of those ones? I told you if it's breaking the top of that wage here, enter long, guys. Did it break it? Not yet. Should you enter now? Not yet, guys. Wait more. That's why I told you subscribe to our channel, so when else we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, guys. It's very simple and easy. A red button, click at that. Next to it, a bell, turn it to also like that. You're going to be notified every time when also we put in something new. Or you can join even our Telegram channel. The link of it is in the first comment. Like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. I think everything is too clear here. In my chart, what I got, guys? Look at it. I got that level here. That one with yellow. Still very stronger. Top of that channel. Hasn't come to touch the lower of it. So it's still early. So from here, it's going to come here. Then after that, it's going to drop to touch it. But today is Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday. There is no volume, guys. So as you see it, even down here, there is no volume. So till now, there is nothing confirmed, guys. So we need to wait until the weekly candle finishes. Let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, it gives you very, very, very clear picture here. Where you are. Look at it. Where you are. Here. You are in the middle, guys. Did it breaking for you? Oh, not yet. But that means when you are here in that wall here. When you are in that wall, guys, that man, the sellers or the bears or the buyers or the bulls, they are equal, guys. No one of them is winning till now. So should you buy now? Not yet, guys. Even the big whales, they're still waiting, guys. So why not you, a retail trader, not to wait? You need to wait a little bit. It doesn't still that much. It's still all a little bit. And the last video give you very highly information, guys. Go back to that video and watch it. It's very, very, very highly information in that video. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. And here we are in our other indicator, guys. That one, what did I told you about it? I told you are at the oversold. Second things, what is it? You are in very stronger level, guys. Third things, what is it? You got a price action, guys. Here, look at it. Very clear here. And what did I told you? If it's breaking for the top of that wage here, enter long, guys. Take profit here in the top here. Or here at that level here as you see it. That one here. And me prefer to take profit here in that level here. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what 30 minutes doing right now for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, what the market giving us here. Look with me here. We came from here. Like that. What you seeing, guys? And you came from here like that. What you seeing is a very clear triangle, guys. It doesn't touch the top of it here, but it's going to touch it, then it's going to fall down maybe till here. So we need to wait where it's going to break. If it's breaking up, you enter long. If it's breaking short or breaking down, you enter short, guys. We're going to confirm for you to enter long or short is our indicator, guys. And as you see here, the volume is very, very, very low today, guys. And I tell you all those things. Today and tomorrow there is no volume because big whales, they go out from the market that time. They still only the small players in the market. Those ones, no one care about them, what they doing. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, it's still in his place. As you see. So the entry to be in from here, or the people to be in follow me. Why we enter from there? Because of that one. I told you when it's breaking here, you enter long, guys. You enter there. Did it touch here the oversold? Not yet, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you when the daily candle finishes, guys. Bye for now, guys.